Hello, it's Andy Cheeseman here from Sidcup. About 18 months ago, I felt God really speak to me about starting a group called Man in the Mirror, to encourage all men to talk about stuff that they keep buried down deep inside. You don't have to be a Christian man, you can be a non-Christians, it's open to all men really. It's just a support group. You don't have to wear a fluffy cardigan or wear open-toe sandals or chinos or crinoline or grow a beard, grow a ponytail, anything like that. Just be yourself. But, if you do wear sandals and fluffy jumpers and chinos, you're most welcome. In the past few months, I didn't get many people come to the group. Just this week, I'll be honest with you, I was just going to bin it off, to be honest with you, just didn't think it was worth it. But after praying last night, I read the story about two blokes that they'd attempted suicide. They got rescued from the tracks. And I was talking to my mate. He's a fireman. Someone didn't make it. It just made me really sad. That was a emotional cough, not other than a coronavirus cough. It wasn't a dry cough. Just to put that out there. It made me really sad. And my prayer is that the Man in the Mirror group will make an impact. And this video might be of some help to people who watch it. When it all gets on top for me, I pray to God. Remember that God wants a relationship with you, so you don't have to use long words or anything like that. And after praying, I'll look and see if I can be helpful to someone. I'll just turn the page up. Do you mind if I read you a Bible verse? It's from Romans 12:12. And it says, rejoice in hope, be patient in tribulation, and be consistent and constant in prayer. And that's what I just read. If you like the video, happy days. Maybe you'll share it. We've got a YouTube channel as well, so if you want to get in touch, please leave us a message. Or send us an email or direct message. If you like the video, please do share it, because this type of thing might be of help to someone. God bless you. Bye bye.